My doctor sent me to see Dr. Liang for a consultation. And that was with much resistance on my part. I didn't think I wanted to see a neurosurgeon, but I needed something. He told me that surgery was what I needed, that there really wasn't another option for me. He commended me on having done everything else and exhausting all measures. And then he said, you need to have your disc replaced. So I didn't get a fusion. I actually got a new titanium piece. So I'm bionic. Dr. Liang moved my vocal cords, took out the herniated disc, and then put in a Mobi-C, which is a titanium piece with a spacer and another titanium piece, and they just clicked it back in. My life with this amazing piece of technology, I have complete range of motion. There is nothing I can't do. I'm better than I was before.